Alright, so the game we'll be presenting today for our final project is a game we came up with, Every Last Drop. This is made by me, Cameron Constabilio, and by Colin Daughtry, my partner. A little about ourselves, my partner Colin here. He's from Green Bay, Wisconsin at Marquette University. He is studying biocomputing engineering, and he is currently on the Marquette University club basketball team. It's a picture of Colin there. And then me, I am Cameron Constabilio. I am from Lincolnshire, Illinois. I am in the electrical engineering major, and I am on the Marquette esports team. Now, a little background to our project. Water pollution is a problem that racks many third world countries. It's like the areas of the United States as well. Americans surrounding the Great Lakes do not have access to clean drinking water due to dumping into Lake Michigan, which has caused the stress level of the water reach nearly 90%. Another example is Flint, Michigan, which has had an ongoing problem of lead contaminating the towns of water supplies. Abroad, many countries such as India have had their water supplies rendered unusable due to defecation and agricultural runoff into their water supplies. This is what our game is trying to aim to address, to try and raise awareness towards water pollution as a whole, try and get more to people think more actively about this issue worldwide. And that's kind of leads into the purpose of creating our game. That's why we decided to create our game, Every Last Drop, and we hope that after playing our game, you will gain a better perspective on how much water on Earth is being wasted and the human impact on the water supply. That's why we decided to create this game. And I think after seeing what our game has to show, I think you'll agree. Now, this is some examples of our game artwork. We have our menu screen, some filler screens, and the actual game screen, all designed by yours truly. And for a game presentation, I think there's no better way than to show you how the game works. So if I jump over to Eclipse here, we have all our classes on the side into our main project file to the last drop. And we'll go to our game class. This is what will be used to run the game from. And I will now run the game. Brings us to our menu screen. We have a play, help, and a quit. Quit obviously leaves it. Help brings you to a help screen, and play brings you directly to the game. Now I'm going to click on the help screen because that'll give us the rules of the game. We want to conserve every last drop of water in the bucket. Every drop caught counts as a point. Every missed drop takes part of your health away, and you want to catch every last drop, and most importantly, have fun. Now if we continue, we get some background on the water conservation, a little bit of what I was talking about before, just some background on what our game is hoping to achieve. Now, if we start the game, this is the basics of the game. We have a right and left control. When you play the game, your goal is to collect the water droplets and get as many points as possible. I am screwing up a bit there. But this is basically the loop of our game. We have collisions with the water droplet and the bucket, so that every single time the bucket comes in contact with the water, the score will decrease. And you've also noticed when I miss the water droplets, the health bar goes down. Once your health bar reaches 0, you get your final score like this, and you can return to the main menu. And that is pretty much the finer points of the game. There isn't much else to that. Other than that, some key features that have to go along with the code here is that we've separated our project file into two main class categories. We have our entities and basically all our processes. Our entities basically control the scripts, the menu, the interaction between the sprites. This is basically what makes those collisions occur. That's what makes the controls occur. And this is kind of like the engine that runs our main game here. And every single one of these classes has their own unique role in the code. When they run, they go through their individual processes, and they eventually all lead into our final game class, which actually goes ahead and runs everything. That's essentially how the game works. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.